Welcome back, Plastic Travelers. So today I'm on vacation in Galveston, Texas. That's why you don't see the normal backdrop. But I do want to put out a real quick video, and today's video is what is the Chase 524 rule. So let's get started. So the Chase 524 rule means to be approved for a Chase credit card, you cannot have applied for 5 or more credit cards within a 24-month period. So if you are interested in applying for a Chase credit card, make sure that you have applied for less than 5 credit cards within a 24-month period. Now, this does include any credit cards that you've applied for outside of Chase. So pretty much any credit card that you've applied for, Chase does consider this under their 524 rule. Now, I'm just talking about the personal cards. Business cards, Chase does not consider any business cards on their 524 rule. So if you've applied for any business credit cards and that puts you over the 524 rule, you don't have to worry about that. They don't count business credit cards in that 524 rule. Now, Chase's 524 rule is not the only determination that Chase uses when considering you for a credit card. So they also look at other factors as well. This is just one of the many factors that they use. So I would just recommend if you apply for a Chase card, just make sure that you're under the 524 rule. Now, a few things that I want to mention to keep in mind. Of course, it's always exciting when you apply for a credit card. So my recommendation is, if you are closely watching your credit cards and the 524 rule, once the 5th credit inquiry has fallen off your credit report, I would wait until the following month to apply for a Chase card. If you apply once, the same day that the 5th inquiry falls off, most likely you will get denied. Now, you can call the reconsideration line, and they may be able to help with that. But just to be on the safe side, I would just recommend wait until the following month and then go ahead and apply for that card that you want. So that way you're completely cleared off of that 5th inquiry, so it'll only be reflecting as 4. It does take a little while until it shows that, so just make sure that that you wait until the following month. So in conclusion, if you're new to credit cards, I would highly recommend making sure that the first credit cards you get are the Chase credit cards, just because of the Chase's 524 rule. Most other credit card companies don't have such strict rules when it comes to that. So I would go ahead and get the Chase credit cards that you're interested in first. Once you get those cards that you're interested in, then you can venture out and start applying for other credit cards. But you wouldn't have to worry about the 524 rule after you've gotten those cards. A lot of people, especially like me, I went ahead and got a lot of other cards, Amex cards, and Capital One, and a bunch of other cards. And now I am currently waiting to get out of that 524 rule. Once I get out of the 524, I will be applying for Chase cards. But as of right now, because I did not consider this, I have no choice but to wait. Once I get under the 524 rule, then I'll be able to apply. Thank you for watching. If you found this information helpful, please hit the like button, subscribe, and turn your notification bell on so you can be notified when a new video comes out. If you know anyone that may find this information helpful, please share this video with them. Lastly, if you're interested in applying for a new credit card, I did include some referral links in the description below. If you use one of my links, it would definitely help out the channel. Till next time, keep traveling with plastic.